Hey guys, so I made it to the car. I did my meeting and I it was absolutely the right decision to go to the car again. Um, Sometimes I don't quite realize it, to say the least. I look very tired because I am very, very tired, but that's okay because it's for good reasons. Doesn't mean though that I should push myself to literally fainting, and that's why I'm reminding myself. So for dinner, I'm going to do smoothies, I think, um, which my daughter will love anyway, most likely. Or I might have soup or something. But yeah, I look really tired because I am really tired, and that's okay. You know, how do people look after they run a marathon? You know what I mean? And then they immediately go take care of a kid, by the way, not just run a marathon and then they get to relax. Um, But that being said, I'm really, really, really proud of myself and I'm really grateful because ultimately, I am not letting anything stop me from using my voice and, you know, experiencing healing. I really am not letting anything stop me. Um, so I brought out my planner and I thought I was going to bring my, notebook, and now I can't find my notebook, which just shows my brain's like, we're done for the day, and it's like, no, we're not, but I can minimize it. So I did ask my daughter this morning, what do you want to do tonight that is non-electronic together? And because I'm really trying to pay attention, and so anyway, we're gonna do drawing, but we're gonna do like directed draw. And so I'm just reminding myself, like, I can do that. Like, I'm very exhausted, but I can do that. And I know that. I can do 2 of those. And so one of the things I downloaded that was free was a habit tracker. But it's a different approach. It's not a habit tracker. It is, sorry. But it's a habit builder. And I really like it because it breaks it down in a different way. And, I love variety. I love new ideas. I love like 360 type of stuff, meaning it's comprehensive. So I'm not even letting myself basically look at that yet because, did I mention I'm really tired? And that's not a complaint. It's just reminding me, hey, your battery is like, it's probably like 20% because remember, I'm literal. So 5% would be when I have to sit at the bus stop because I'm so literally physically exhausted. If I don't sit, I'll faint, right? We don't want to get to that. So I'm probably like 20%. Okay, but since I'm at 20% does not mean that I should, I was trying to do like a technology analogy. Like I shouldn't be streaming high def videos. That probably isn't even the right terminology. That just shows how obviously I don't know anything about that stuff. But anyway, you know my point. And my MO in the past has always been that when I'm at 5%, go 150%, mind over matter. This is why I'm dealing with the health issues I am now. So don't recommend that. But that being said, today was an amazing day again. And it's not over yet, but it's getting there, which I hope that makes sense. I'm grateful for every single thing. But yeah, I'm ready for the day to be over so I can be kind of, I was going to say relax, but at least, well, I'm going to do my bath tonight still to honor that part, but yeah, I am zonked. I mean, this idea of a weekend, I really need to figure out, like actually resting and restoring how. But that being said, tomorrow's a new day, and today was a very like meaningful day, ultimately very productive day. I got some of the roots out, which is more productive than just picking the petal of a flower. And I'm digging up these unhealthy roots so I can plant healthy flowers. So I remind myself of that while raising a child on my own, while dealing with a lot of stuff. So it makes perfect sense why I'm so exhausted at the moment. But I really hope this gives a lot of hope to people that like I can absolutely help you do this and you don't have to get to this. Like um because that does not sound like, can you imagine if I was like, if you want to be like me and be exhausted? No, I don't mean that. I'm more the cautionary tale if you don't, do it the way, you know. So, anyway, love you guys.